So guys, so actually market is actually approaching my entry point right here. So yeah, this zone I'm waiting for market to touch and then give me a pattern. So there's a psychological level, there's a psychological level right here and a trend line. There's a trend line and I think it's the third bounce of the trend line. Yeah, it's a third bounce. Yeah, let me tell you, I think it's a USD card. I'll trade USD card. And let me go to the 4 hours time frame. Zoom out. So you see, the trend line can only take how many bounces? My trend line can only take three bounces, three touches before the breakout. So there's one, there's two, and this is three approaching. It just touched though, so we're expecting my market to pull up aggressively. We're expecting market to go up aggressively, so we are still currently on an uptrend on USD card. So back to my 15-minute time frame. So there's something I want to show you guys right here. So let's in the resume. So you see, from I think last week, market was actually ranging too well. Market was just ranging. This from this zone to this zone. See it touch, got to this zone, drop back, drop. There's a psychological level here, and there's a support zone, and the psychological level is acting as a resistance zone. So now, what I'm actually seeing now, price just approach that trend line and that psychological level right there below, which is a main psychological level. And right now, you can see support actually became resistance because if I move this, you see price was supporting it, supporting, and now it has actually become resistant. So what we're waiting for right now here is waiting for market to touch on this zone, grab enough liquidity, touch this psychological level, then give me a pattern, an entry pattern right here, then we should be long in the market. But we'll be very careful though, very careful, and like extremely careful, because our target should be just max this point. This should be our target, because we don't want to be catching, going very high, making our risk to reward very high, because market is ranging right here. It's trying to range. This is a point of resistance, so we just from this point to this point max, that's it. Let's see, then from here I think we should be looking at what markets might do when it gets to this point. But what our target is just when markets get to this zone, from a pin bar pattern, we long the market just to this point, and then we are out. Then we can just keep a lookout and continue watching and waiting for price to react. Let's see how price is going to react on this zone, and then we'll make another decision. So that's it. So I'll update you guys when market starts playing out well. Check this out, guys. So a few minutes later, after that, price just dropped a little bit to my zone right here. As you can see, price just came down and it's pulling back up. So price didn't get actually touch the psychological level though, but you know, psychological level is not just the line, it's a zone. So price just gave got to this zone right here, and it's going back up, it's pulling back up. So I want price to, like, I think USD card is going to drop a little bit to this psychological level before I go in. I'm not yet in, but it's kind of reacting on my zone, showing that sellers are getting weaker, time to buy. So I think I'll still hold on for price to drop a little bit and give me a pin bar pattern or a double bottom here, and then I'll go into the trade. So that's it. So I'll just keep waiting and holding my position. I'll update you guys later when price starts playing out. So check this out, guys. So I just got in. I just entered the trade right here, right now. I just opened a position right here on top of this stock right here. So apparently, I think a double bottom is trying to form right here. You see, price dropped. See, this is the first leg pulled up, and it's trying to build up a second leg right on this zone right here. So I just got in for a trade right now, and let's see how this goes. So what's up, guys? So a few minutes after we called out this trade, markets just moved towards our direction. You can see right here, you can see markets moving aggressively. And news just came out. I think unemployment claims. I think, yeah. So we got in right here, and the news is aggressively pulling towards our direction. So that's it. So that's it. That's just it. So I will.